What's up, everybody? Channel Cat Chaser coming at you. Real quick pink bag score here. You know how the ammo mafia rolls. You don't forget what you've been taught, and when you don't forget what you taught, you know that we don't pay no $11.99 at no fucking Dunhams. And this is the only two boxes they had. 2 boxes of American Eagle. Oh boy. Oh boy, oh boy. Yeah. They wasn't happy when I whipped out the AmmoMafia.com website and slammed that $5 price up in their face. He's like, what the hell? You always come in here trying to bust our balls with this here cheap ammo price match stuff. I said, well, you know how we roll. We get the best deal going or no deal at all. So, yeah, I'm up to 3 boxes of this shit. My rebate is going to be fucking fat, baby, fat. So, yeah. Anyway, the moral of the story is if you motherfuckers ain't out there price matching other competitors to Walmart's prices right now, you're missing the fucking boat. You haven't watched enough fucking videos to learn anything. So that's it. That's all. That's from 6'4" Hemi, my brother. I love that. 6'4" Hemi, I love that. That's it. That's all. I'm out.